Fans unsatisfied with Mirror's ticket exchange plan for replacement concert. Last year, Mirror's concert was postponed due to a stage accident, leaving fans concerned about the status of their tickets. MakerVille announced that a replacement concert would be held in January at the AsiaWorld-Expo Arena. However, announcement of the ticket exchange plan has caused dissatisfaction among fans.
Those holding fully valid tickets must register between 31st May and 30th June and submit their physical tickets in July in exchange for replacement tickets in November and December. Since the original concert venue and the makeup concert venue have different seat arrangements, quantities, and stage designs, the makeup concert tickets and dates will be assigned and distributed by the system, and ticket holders can ensure that they will be assigned to the same price zone. In addition, the announcement also declared that to facilitate flexible ticket arrangements for ticket holders, real name registration is not required for the replacement tickets.
The terms and conditions of the ticket exchange have caused dissatisfaction among Mirror fans, particularly those who purchased tickets for the final concert. Many are concerned that they will not be assigned seats for the final concert, and others have expressed concerns about the allocation of seats for the same price zone.